Hey, hi guys, I'm welcome you in my channel टेस्ट विद आकाश। मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं मेरे चैनल टेस्ट विद आकाश में। सो आज का पॉइंट है प्लेराइट। ओके, सो बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग विद द टॉपिक, लेट मी introduce myself. My name is Akash Basute. I'm having a 3+ years of experience in a software testing. So I can say I'm expert in test automation, API testing, database testing, all type of testing. So let's start with today's topic. So about the Playwright. आप सभी ने Playwright के रिगार्डिंग सुना ही होगा कि एक ऑटोमेशन टूल है, बहुत फास्ट है, rather than Cypress, Selenium, मल्टीपल फीचर्स इनबिल्ड है। तो आज के वीडियो में हम खाली इसका ओवरव्यू देखने वाले कि प्लेराइट क्या है, इसके फीचर्स क्या है। देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई विल पोस्ट वीडियो ऑन ईच टॉपिक, लाइक on locators, on frameworks, on every feature of the playwright onwards. So keep subscribe me and be with me. So let's start. So मैंने एक अच्छा सा एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट किया है, उसको ओपन करते हैं। लेट्स ओपन। यस, so what is a playwright, right? It's a very important question. What is a playwright? So playwright is an open source automation testing framework developed by the Microsoft. It allows automation of a browser like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari for web testing. It helps to simulate user action like click, type, and navigation. So the Playwright ये जो टूल है ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने डेवलप किया है। It supports all the browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Like second point, why Playwright? Right? There are other tools in the market like Cypress, Selenium, and many more. Then why Playwright? Why we do automation with the Playwright? Right? This is a genuine question. Let's see its feature. It's a fast and reliable. Second point, auto wait for the elements. So we know that in a Selenium we apply the weights, but here is auto weight. No need to explicitly apply the weight. It's auto weight. Third one, cross browser supports. So I previously described it. It supports many browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari. So and fourth is easy setup and modern design. Like इसका सेटअप बहुत इजी है, जस्ट एक कमांड रन करना है और ऑल जो स्ट्रक्चर है, प्लेराइट स्ट्रक्चर है, like test folder, like all the configuration files, browsers, एक simple single command से वो all the setup will be installed in our project, in our folder. Let's moving to third point, like supported language and browsers. It support the multiple language like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C#. So it's a multi-language support, multi-browser supports, setup. Okay, so let's see the fourth point. Let's set up steps. So these are the few setup steps like npm initiate -y, npm install like the player -test, npx playwright install, npx playwright test. So this is the four steps. There is a one step, like with the help of that one step, all the project get installed. Like no need to execute this command one by one, just simple one single command that is npm init playwright @latest. So you can see, you can check in this the playwright documentation as well. So the playwright provide a very beautiful documentation, a detailed documentation, and you must go through it, right? So they detail like, yes, this command. So if you have a npm package manager in your system, then you can run this command like npm init playwright @latest, With this command, it will install all the structure, like it will install the configuration file, package.json, test folder, some default test cases, right? So it will install all the browsers, all the install with the single command like npm init playwright at the latest. So it's very easy. So let's check the another basic folder structure. Like I will show you one example. I automated one website, Orange HRM. So you all know about this website. Like many of us are familiar with the website. So I automate few test cases on this, like on a login screen on a dashboard. Let's show you the real project, so you will get an idea. Yes. So I open this project in the VS Code editor. Like there are many editor, but my favorite is a VS Code. So this is the one framework. Like here you can see the GitHub.github file. In that there is a YAML file. So with this YAML file, uh, this comes uh, in the picture when we push our code into GitHub. That there is a one option like action. So it execute all the our tests on a push pull, whatever we configure here, like in YAML file. Like okay, we will see this in detail further videos. So be with me, subscribe my channel, so you will get the notification. Okay, so then there's allo reporter. It's a very beautiful reporter, like all the details having in it. So we will see in that. Okay, then E2E folder. In E2E folder, like end-to-end testing folder, like this project I built in a page object model. So this is one another big topic I will explain you in further videos, so be with me. In that E2E folder we create a spec file. Specs files means the test files. So each page having a uh, it's a page file, it's a test file. So like we know that in application we have a different modules like login module, dashboard module, homepage module. Then there is a another modules like domain wise. So each page have its own test file and its page file. Like here in a page folder, I created a login page, dashboard page, base page, admin page. What is my base page? I will explain in detail in a further videos. What is by page manager? It's very important topic. I will explain further videos. So in this video, I'm just showing you the framework. What is and explaining about the Playwright, its features. So in this video, just see uh, the framework, how the test cases are, and in further videos, I will explain you each topic in detail, so you will get more ideas. Then package.json is the heart of all the dependencies are here. Like so I given my project name as a Playwright or HRM automation. Its version. I wrote some test scripts here. Then yeah, and all the dependency here, like I have some other reporters which I install here. Like all the dependencies are here. Then configuration file. It's a very important. Like all the configuration related project, like which folder should test get executed. We can configure here. Like we can see here dot slash e2e folders. So it will execute only this folder test cases. Then fully parallel, workers, reporters, use. traces, screenshot, browsers. All these terms I will explain you in a further videos. Just see what is this is all like it will interface. It will say all trace, like you can open that trace and you can see all the uh, UI, then APIs, all the information you can see here, like screenshot, browser names. So this is a configuration file, and there's a last one, the storage session.json. So it's another important feature of the Playwright. Like it save this session of a user, and with that session we can navigate to particular website. It's a very helpful feature in a Playwright. So we talk about the framework. Like let's see document. Okay. So core concept about 6 point, like core concept. So browser open Chrome, Firefox. Context separate browser profile. Page represent the tab or interact with elements. It's same like how we open a browser. We click on a specific browser, like with, let's say we click on the Chrome, then open its context, like then we create one tab. So same like that. With the automation we create one with the help of browser feature. We create one context, then with the help of context we create a page. On that page we automate all the tests. So this is about the core concept. Seven common commands. Like there are common commands, like if you wanted to go to any particular page, then simple you have to mention like await page dot go to, so that page URL name. So await, what is await, what is async, I will tell you in further videos. Okay. Like if you have to fill any specific field, then you just mention like page dot fill, give the locator, give the input what you wanted to enter here, then locators. There it support the CSS locator. Then some of inbuilt locators like page by role, page by role, page by placeholder, text. Then there are a lot of locators, inbuilt locators as well in the Playwright. I will explain later. Then assertions, like assertions are very important. So what we're doing, like in manual testing, what we do, we create one test case sheet, right? In test case sheet, we mention that actual and expected. Same like what here we what we're doing, we simply doing any action. That action, जो एक्शन का जो भी रिस्पॉन्स है, अगर वो एक्सपेक्टेड है, राइट, इफ इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, then we mention that test case as a pass. If it is not expected, then we mention it as a fails, right? Then there is some hooks like before all, before each, after each. There are hooks. Then page object model, which I show you. Then storage station, same I explain. Reporting, same I explain. And debugging, there is a methods for debugging, for UI, for API. There are many methods for the debugging and CI/CD. For the CI/CD, I show you the YAML file. It's a part of the CI. And project examples, I show you all the frameworks. So this is a overview of the Playwright. In upcoming days, I will explain all these topics one by one. It's so powerful tool. So for the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel so you will get notification. Thank you for watching my video.